HOESTR mini body cam. It's on already. I just turned it on by accident. Rattle test. These things all rattle. They're cheaply built. They all rattle. 180-degree lens. This rotates all the way around. So, you know, the rattling. Buttons. You know. I wish they'd do something about this. Okay, so audio. This is to save audio. It's recording audio now. You hit save. So it stops record audio. So this menu, you got a menu button here. You got a return button. You got the micro SD card. Cheap generic 64 gigabyte micro SD card. Over here you get the volume buttons, your next previous button for menu navigation, and you get the play button for playback. So if you hit the play button, it plays back the files, and you can turn the volume up and down with this. And hit record audio. Check 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3. The time and date is wrong on this, but who cares? Test 1 2 3. Get a blinking blue light over there to indicate, blinking blue light on the indicator, blinking red light on the screen, indicate that it's recording. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. To save, you hit save. To play back, you hit play. Check 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Maybe you hit the volume up and down. The time and date is wrong on this, but okay, so you hit record again, save video, and you hit to save, and it stops. It's in standby mode now. Excellent. So it works. I mean, you can pretty much figure out how to do all this crap. Volume buttons, next, previous. That's for menu navigation, playback and pause, save video. You know, you hit video to start recording video, and you hit save to stop the video and save it, or stop recording video and save it. You got your 360-degree rotating lens right here. 360, 180, whatever it is, 180-degree rotating lens. Audio, the same thing with audio. Audio say, you know, start recording audio and save audio. So you want to start recording audio only. You hit that, it starts recording audio. And to stop it, you hit save. And it stops it and saves it. Now you're in standby mode. This clip appears to be in there, held in the back there with something. So just be careful with this. Make sure you don't break it, because inevitably you will if you're not careful. 1/4-20 tripod mount. Lanyard strap. It looks like you got in there. Receiver for the lanyard strap. It looks like the speaker is in there. A little screen in front. Just be careful with that cheap generic no-name SD card, micro SD card, because it might cause trouble. Going into the menu, when it's in standby mode, hit menu, or you long press it. Okay, there, you long press it, menu, and then navigate. You get your up, down. So you navigate up and down with these buttons, and then you set it with the play button. So on your resolutions, you got 1080, 720, and 720. Photo resolution. You get all these different settings for photo resolution. You can choose which one you want. Date, time, set that. Loop recording, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That's all you're gonna get. The exposure value, you can set that. Format the SD card, which I would recommend getting another one, except this cheap one they have. Language, self-explanatory. Okay, auto power. Off 1 minute, 3 minutes. You can set how long you want that before it shuts the power off automatically. Auto screen off, same thing. How long you want before you want the screen to go off. Indicator, settings on or off. Oh, that could be the like the blinking light, the LEDs and stuff like that indicates when it's working. It's kind of a stealth mode, I guess. You can set it. This is a version of software. It's probably gonna be it. Yep, and the reset. Yeah, you can reset with this. There you go. That's it. And that is the end of the menu. And to get out of it, you go to this back button. And then you're in standby mode again. It's a nice little camera. We'll see what the video quality looks like when I test it today. Oh yeah, what else is in the box? Real quick. USB Type-C, owner's manual. Wait a minute. There's 2 owner's manual, one in English and one in Espanol. So there you go. Get the let me see something. What is this? No, there's no if you give us a 5-star review, you'll get some money back card. That's what they usually have in here. So, you know, be careful with these reviews on Amazon. A lot of them have 5-star reviews, you know, fake 5-star reviews. So, you know why. You know, they offer to give you your money back if you give them a 5-star review. You know, so there you go. That's what all these 5-star reviews of these shitty products are on Amazon. Some of these shitty products. Well, we'll see. So anyhow, yeah, that's it. Yeah, and before anyone gets on me for not taking the plastic off the lens, there, the plastic's off the lens. So when I film with this thing tomorrow, plastic is off the lens. Okay, so when I film with this, it'll be the real, you know, the true quality of what this thing looks like. It's nothing covering the lens. There'll be no fingerprint smudges on the lens. They'll be seeing what this thing is really capable of. Okay, so real quick, I just figured out how to turn it on and off. So it's in video mode. You want to record video. It's in video mode, right? Video mode. Audio mode, the same thing. You want to record audio, just leave it in audio mode. To turn it on and off, you just hit, you gotta long press play. There, it's on now. And there's your one-touch record. So it's on, and then it immediately starts recording. In video or audio mode, it's either or, it works the same way. To turn it off, you know, you don't have to hit save and turn it off and all that kind of crap and messing with buttons every minute. So to quickly turn it, it's on, it's recording, right? So to quickly turn it off, you just hit play. Long press play, and it's off now. 33. Second to the left inside the parking lot. Okay. Delivered. There it is. Thank you. Okay. Delivered. There it is. How you doing? All right. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. Yeah, how you doing?
Thank you so much.
All right, take care.
Have a good night.
You too. And they need to fix the rattling issue, and especially something that could, you know, it's a body cam. It's something that could, you know, be used legally to absolve yourself of culpability and stuff like that. You know, you want to have good audio. You know, you want to be able to make out if someone's, you know, cursing at you or threatening your life. If you have to show it to law enforcement, or if it has to be presented in a court of law or anything like that. You know, do something about the rattling issue. And you've got yourself a good little camera, you know. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.